Try to eat the boss you get inside of the pirate ship. You know, the pirates buried the stuff that they stole. You know what they found out later?
Yeah.
They had a treasure map.
Yeah? Great.
He is 3 strokes up on us, and we are running out of oars, man. You completely blew that last shot, right? You're supposed to get it in the tile's mouth.
Hey, what about you, Bob? You took us 6 on the windmill.
Oh,
yeah, take a look at it.
Make the shot and you win, Dad.
Yeah.
Just think how much this putt is worth. All that money.
Hey, shut up, kid. What are you trying to do? Psych him out? You can't psych him out. He's the man. You can't psych him out, okay? Don't worry. No, okay. Go ahead, Ray. Go ahead.
Chuck it in there, right?
Yeah, I got it, Bobby. I got it. There you go. Oh. Get your hand out, Bob.
Go ahead, Raymond. Chuck it in there.
Adam!
What? Fair? Not fair? We're out! Not fair!
Boy, honey, some people take this game way too seriously.
Well, kiddies, this is what I do when I catch up on sleep and movies I haven't seen ever. Made so well. Mr. Macaulay, remember him? Bye-bye.